Hello, everyone. Welcome to IWC Huddle, the art of positive thinking. Today, we have with us Dr. Aanchal C. Kakkar. She's a certified PhD in Vastu Shastra, tarot reader, relationship counselor, and a motivational speaker. And she also does numerology and various other, other things as well. So, welcome, Aanchal. Thank you for joining us today. And sorry, you want to say something?
No. Please continue.
First of all, you're looking so sweet. Achal, I've known Achal through our group. First of all, she's a wonderful person to talk to, like just so sweet. And I've heard her as well in other, other videos that she has done. And I feel, talking on this particular topic of positive thinking, it's just so important at this point in time. I think we all are going through certain things, dealing with different things, either at work, with kids or in our lives. Whatever it is, I think we all can have some dose of motivation, and how we can have ourselves think positive and make the most of any situation. So that'll be our key topic today. And Achal, over to you.
Thank you, and thank you for such a warm welcome, Neha. I'm obliged to be part of this group. And yes, today we're going to talk about many things: career, success, happiness, prosperity. We're going to share some Vastu tips as well, numerology. So if you want to know anything related to Vastu Shastra and related to any numerology, anything you want to know, so yes, feel free to just drop in a message at the chat and I will definitely reply to it. We're going to talk about a lot of new things today. So yes, as she said, the first half session I'll be describing a few things, and then later on you guys can carry on with your questions or whatever doubts you have, and so that it will be an interactive session, more than just less than I'm the one speaking. Yes. So today we're going to talk about prosperity, happiness, and career. So I want to know how you guys, before I start, how do you guys define as prosperity? What is prosperity to you? What is prosperity? What is happiness, success to you?
Something that we wish for and then we have it. That's probably happiness. And prosperity is like, you if you're able to meet your basic needs, in general, family is happy, that probably is prosperity too.
Yes, exactly. So basically, prosperity means to succeed in life, to be, according to me right now, what I see, if for everybody, prosperity is to be rich and successful. So, the goal lies there, how to be successful. And when we reach that goal of success in life, like if we are at a certain stage, then we change our goalpost. Then, if, for example, a child who's scoring A grade, okay, in school, so the mother says, now it's the time to score A plus. So for example, I got a job, I'm promoted as VP, so now I want to be executive VP. So this never stops. So all prosperity, what depends is to be rich and to be successful. But what the point is, what if we have money but no health, like what we are suffering right now? So during these difficult periods, during this crisis, whatever we're going through, so we have money but we don't have our loved ones who can travel, we can meet them, right? So whom do we share this happiness with? Whom do we share our thoughts with? So here what it depends, that if there is no peace, there is no happiness, then where is this money go? So what happens, prosperity always depends on good health, money, relations, meeting your soulmate. I really believe meeting the right person, marrying the right person, or not even marrying the right person, just being with the right person really is prosperity for me. Having good relations, having good network is prosperity. Just like what Neha is doing, she's making a good network around. That is actually your net worth today. So yes, that is what prosperity is. So in for me, what prosperity is: being physically fit, being mentally energized, being emotionally stable with things, being socially connected with things, financially secure, and spiritually inclined. So these six things involve as compile this compilation of things six is basically what prosperity is today, what we define, and what how prosperity should look like. All of these are interconnected together. We cannot do without one. I'm sure without being physical fit you cannot enjoy money, right? So everything is connected. If you're not spiritually inclined, you will just keep wasting your money. You will not know where to use your resources constructively. So all of these things are actually aligned together. And now, when we are socially connected, one cannot do without any other. So basically, what success is internal. Success is here. But we just rely success with money and fame. Success is basically improvement. It is the progress. It is the enthusiasm which we have to go through, and being fearlessly facing situations. What come through right now? What happens? Situations control us. For example, just let's give it a pause and let's just imagine six things. You've lost your job. Okay, probably somebody doing the elections has lost the elections. Okay, so a child has failed in the school. So you've just broken to a marriage. Everything's gone very bad. So just pause, think about it once. Just let's give a 3 second thing and just let's think about these negative things. So I'll just count till three. Okay, so just imagine. So one, two, and three. So basically, yes, here what lies is we speak so much negative, we speak so much negative in our life, that what happens is this stops us moving forward in life. These things, अगर एक चीज बुरी है आपके साथ, एक चीज बुरी हो रही है, हम क्या करते हैं, उसको इतना बुरा बोल बोल के, नेगेटिव बोल बोल के हम उसको क्रिएट करते रहते हैं, राइट? सो इफ समथिंग हैज टू बी पॉजिटिव, it doesn't happen because we create that negative aura between us and things fail to happen. So here the problem lies and prosperity stops. So yes, 90% of your long-term happiness depends on what you have right now, not what you will get and not what will happen tomorrow. So for me, prosperity is just not being in today, but just not being in yesterday and tomorrow, being here aligned with your mind and your heart. I want to know what happens when we get these negative thoughts. I always say three things. Just stop there with your negative thought. Whatever, anything which is poking your mind or something coming to your mind, stop there. Focus on the other thought and then shift. So if you're going through anything right now, we all are going through. This is life. This is a life cycle. We have to go through this. We outgrow this. Always believe that, you don't go through things. You grow as a person. You grow through things. So yes, so for example, we talk about pause. Okay, just pause for a minute. Just you're probably facing some negativity in your life. Think about it. Shift that thought. Give it 3 seconds break. Shift it. Because we all have our minds. We just know how to train it. That's all we have to learn. So just shift this thought and then focus on the other thought. So let's do this together. I think it'll be fun, right? So any negative thought or any negativity you're going through or any negative thought which is coming in your mind again and again. So just think about it once. Just 3 seconds, think about it. Just stop there. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Bless you.
I'm not COVID positive. Okay. So just shift this thought to the positive thought, that what could have happened for positive. For example, what we are doing right now, wherever we are, in our past, we have, gone through a lot of difficulties, and today we are right now. Today, I am sitting here, I'm helping others. So I've also gone through a lot of other things. It's just not, I'm just here, there's a lot of things I've grown as a person. So what happens that when you grow as a person, when you stay there and when you shift your thought to that positive thought, you will see a drastic change in your life. So basically what you have to do is thinking a negative thought, shifting that thought to the positive thought. By positive, I mean what could have happened instead of this, but not thinking negative. You always think, agar ye nahi hota to aisa ho jata. But agar ye nahi hota to kya pata uska positive hota, right? We've just moved on with life. What we were 2 or 3 years back, today we are not that. And if we think about what we were, we all be happy. Jahan hum hai, we are very happy. We are content. So there's a saying, jo hota achhe ke liye hota, we realize it later, right? So now when we shift that thought, when we stop that thought there, it will create a balance in our life. I always say meditation is very important. I just don't say ki aap puja karo all the time. That's not spiritual inclined doesn't mean puja. Spiritual inclined, just meditating, journaling your thoughts, exercising and training your mind. By journaling your thoughts, I mean that, relive the moment when something positive had happened to you. So relive that moment. Because we are facing so many negative situations right now. And it's just not us we are facing. It's the whole world which is going through this crisis. So, and बार बार बोल के COVID है, negativity है, we're lonely. We're not lonely. Everybody's together in this. We're sailing the same boat. And बार बार ये चीज बोल के that, COVID है, हम दूसरों के याद दिलाते हैं, यार, COVID है. Okay, यार, है तो है, just take your precautions and you have to live your life. You cannot stop yourself. So by not, I really feel by not meeting your friends, by not going out, will not solve your problem. Take your precautions and be careful with things. That's all what you can do right now. Because absence of a disease is not health. So yes, the absence of disease is never related to health or equivalent to health. Absence of disease is equivalent to disease itself. So yes, and now we're going to talk about how these physical questions, this mentally, how these aspects, different 6 things, how should we go about these 6 things, and how will these 6 things, if they are aligned, they will help us in our life. As I just say, we live in a society, okay? We live in a manner, we live in a family, we live in a group. What I say today, my husband will believe that, my child will believe that, okay? So that will travel, because thoughts travel so fast, thoughts travel in your cells so fast that, in just seconds, thoughts travel. Whatever you're thinking, it's the whole body starts thinking the same way. So today, whatever I'm thinking, my vibes will travel to my husband. His vibes will travel to whoever he meets in his business. Then my child meets his friends in his Montessori. So these vibes travel. So it's basically a collective consciousness. We are just giving negativity, we're pouring out negativity to everybody. Instead, right now, Mother Earth is also on healing, because it's always a give and take relationship. We've already given a lot of negativity to Mother Earth. So now Mother Earth is at the healing process. So we should also just take a break, relax. And this period of time, especially 2020, has made us realize the gratitude, the thankfulness, the happiness which we were feeling that only money can buy. But those relationships which we're not able to meet, which we're not able to grow through, now we are realizing, yes, what is the value of these relationships? What is happening with us? Okay, so now moving on to the social quotient. So we'll be focusing on all the six aspects. The first being the social quotient. What is social? What is socially meaning to you? What is society? Please.
Well,
Yeah, I want to know, what does society mean to you?
Well, it's basically the surroundings we live in, right? Our relatives, our family, maybe our neighbors, people we work with. All of that kind of constitutes a society for us.
Yes, exactly. The society is basically where we are living, our behavior. Okay, how do we have to behave, the certain manner which catches our positive and negative attention of a person. For example, somebody behaving very, we do not know कि वो ऐसा क्यों behave कर रहा है, right? So we do not know. There was a child, actually, just a story. There was a child traveling in train, and the child, whatever he was looking at, he was saying, "Arey, wow, Papa, tree, Papa, see, there are fishes, there's so much, there are cars." So everybody around him was actually laughing. Ki kar kya raha hai? He's a 6-year-old child, he doesn't know all of this. So but there was a woman who came up to that child and to the parent as well, and she asked that, your child doesn't know anything, what is wrong with your child? And then आप इसका जाके इलाज कराओ. So what happened, इधर हुआ क्या, the parent told कि मैं इसका इलाज ही करा के आ रहा हूँ. The child was blind, और उसका इलाज ही होके now he's recovered and he has his eyes. So it's for him, it's all the first time. So we do not know what others are going through, but we are always ready to comment. We always play that blame game. Actually, we are weak from inside. That's why we play blame game. होता क्या है, we say, यार मैंने ऐसे नहीं किया क्योंकि इसकी वजह से ऐसा नहीं किया. So it's very easy to play this blame game, but we do not feel that, might be where we can be wrong. हो सकता है, that is possible, right? So yes, society, the behavior, the certain behavior, what we are going through, it catches the positive and the negative attention. So I always say maintain balance. Society is just not your friends. It's just not money. I also told earlier, your great net worth is equivalent to your great network. So what is society? It just takes 7 seconds, by these 11 by these opinions to form anybody something about you. So basically क्या होता है, अगर मुझसे कोई eye contact नहीं करता या handshake नहीं करता, चलो handshake तो leave in COVID times, कोई आई कांटेक्ट नहीं करता, कोई अच्छे से ड्रेसअप नहीं होता, मैं तो बहुत जल्दी जज कर लूंगी उसको. एनीबॉडी वो जज यार, ठीक है. दिस इज नेचुरल. ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, वी आर ऑल ह्यूमन बीइंग्स. So what we see, you see the body language of the person, we see the eye contact. So always see, whenever you're talking to a person, look into eyes, never hesitate, never feel underconfident. You know why? Because whatever you're saying, those are your thoughts. I'm also giving no speech. These are just my thoughts. I prepared them, listed, likha, vikha, sab kara maine. First of all, these are just my thoughts. I'm explaining. That's it. So yes, so basically what I feel when you are 7, there are 7 rules for social networking, which is first, handshake. Second is eye contact. By eye contact, I mean looking into that person's eyes and talking to that person and not hesitating by what you're speaking, because what you're speaking is what you feel is right, which is not wrong. Then there is third is dress to kill. So basically by dress to kill is dressing in a way that the person you are dressing speaks a lot how you present yourself. So yes, because you know everywhere there's a dress code. Professionals have their own dress code, mothers have their own dress code. Personally, when you're not in a corporate life, you have your own dress code. So every work, a designer has its own dress code. So yes, this dress code is designed for everybody. So follow a decent or a dress code which is meant for you, and you will see a lot of changes. And your body language. So when you talk to somebody, your body language really represents a lot. So by shaking, hesitating, shivering, takes you nowhere. It just leads you from prosperity, pulls you down. So it's really important to maintain a decent and a strong and a confident body language. And then is listen first and then speak, which is very important. All the time speaking is not important. ठीक है, मैं तो बोल रही हूँ, I have to speak right now. But yes, speaking all the time is not really very important. What is important? Listen first and then speak. Never judge a book by its cover. पहले आप सुनो उसको, समझो, then give your opinions, then give your affirmations, then say what you have to say. What we have in habit, we just judge a person by just one talk, or by just saying कहते हैं ना कि first meeting is the last meeting. No, I don't believe that. Never. You need to know a person more. You don't know how that person is. That person will open to you or not. You do not know that. That person maybe takes time. Is an introvert person. So yes, listen first and then speak. And always smile, because that smile costs nothing. But smile, just like Neha is always smiling. So it's very important to smile every time. Reason being, if you smile, your smile represents your personality. It represents, if you're smiling, your every cell of your body is smiling. These negative situations, you can overcome them easily when you have that smile on your face. Because if you smile, your thoughts travel very fast, as I told. You know how to control your situations when you know that your mind and your heart is aligned by not getting affected by any external situations, because your happiness is inside out, not outside in. So yes, smile is very important. And then all of these things leave an impact on a person, whoever you're meeting, whoever you're being with. These things definitely leave a great impact. So yes, always remember these rules whenever you're socially networking, because your social network is so important. Because in today's world, it's very important to make friends, to build people around you, to make that great network around you. I really believe that. I really believe that. And always focus on anybody and everybody, that yes, always have that, leave an impact on that person. Then we'll move on to emotional quotient. What is emotionally getting satisfied, emotionally being satisfied? Emotions are basically connected. Your feelings are based on your emotions. We all have, two types of emotions, or relationships have positive and negative emotions. Okay. So the positive emotion is love. I would want that, I think everybody should participate with me together. It'll be fun. So I want to know, how do you guys describe what is love?
Okay.
We can write down, right?
Okay, we can write down.
Perfect. Yes, love is caring. Exactly. This is one emotion. Love is nurturing. Love is happiness, right? Love is sharing. It's a it's a saying that when our happiness, our love multiplies when we divide when we share our love with everybody. So when you do not know what other person is going through, you do not know what that person is going through, because this self transformation, this happiness, it's a journey. It will not happen in a day. All these feelings will not, positive emotions will not happen in a day. Today, if you start it, if you start those feelings with some kind words, with some, it's never bad praising somebody in a day. That is your love to the other person. By being kind, by sharing your love to that other person, by just saying kind words for anybody. You can just praise anybody, you're looking pretty, your hair are nice. That would not cost you anything. And in fact, giving that to anybody, it's more important that giving it to yourself first, because I always say you have to love yourself. If you love yourself, you can definitely love others more, and others will definitely love you more, because you love yourself. What we have a feeling, we get negative. Yeah, I have, because we don't love ourselves, we feel this person doesn't love me. We doubt everybody, we doubt other person's emotions. Why? Because we feel that, and the reason is because we don't love ourselves. And this emotion is so strong, this is blocking us so much. For example, you're in an AC room, and आपने four layers के कपड़े पहने हुए बहुत सारे, you're wearing 4 layers. How will you feel the coolness when you are so warm? And you will just feel यार ठंडक तो है ही नहीं कहीं, because I'm feeling so warm, I'm so blocked from accepting that love. So you will accept that love only when you love yourself first. So it's very important, love yourself. Whenever you're in a relationship, realize this fact that, if that relationship is contributing for you being a better person, stay in the relationship. And if it's not, move out. Moving out is always better than having the feelings of hatred, depression, loneliness. It's always better to move out from such kind of relationship which is not serving you at all. Because whenever we're in any relationship, we as human beings, we all are very greedy. So we all want the best. So whenever we're in a relationship, one thing, that person, whoever you are with, any friendship, love relationship, soulmate relationship, you're giving your best. होता क्या है, we feel that हम तो best दे रहे हैं, but all of us are very dishonest. There is definitely some dishonesty between us. 1% to 2%, we cannot measure it, but somewhere or the other we are dishonest somewhere. So when you are dishonest, like that 1% also, that 1% will also affect your relationship, and it will pull you down and pull your relationship down. So it's very important to give that love, give that honesty, which is 100%. You cannot, you can never say, I have done this thing for this person, itna maine kara, abhi itna mujhe milna chahiye. You can't measure it, right? So why is it says unconditional love? Because of this reason, when you are giving unconditional love, you will receive that unconditional love. So first, you have to love yourself, give it to others, and see how it multiplies. Share it. Share your feelings. I always say talk, communicate. Talk if you're feeling bad. You all everybody have that one person to confide, right? So talk to that person, whoever you can confide on, you can trust on, discuss. So yes, the positive emotions which we all need to have is love, nurturing, caring, happiness, and sharing. So sharing is the basis of happiness. If you want to be happy, help others, be with others. We all have that one person, we all look in our career, we all look for one breakthrough. And you never know who you get this breakthrough from. Today I am here, maybe somebody's helped me to get through here, right? So everybody needs that one breakthrough in life. Be that person. Be that person. If you can help someone and you can be that person in some other person's life, that breakthrough. So be that person in somebody's life, I always say. Because you never know, your success leads to other success, and other success leads to your own success. Because if somebody is growing, I'm also growing. I'm definitely growing. So yes, the negative emotions we come to are comprehension, depression, sadness, rejection, dejection, fear. We are so worried, we are so consumed within the fear. We feel that we are happy, but अगर हम ज्यादा खुश होंगे तो हमें नजर लग जाएगी. तो ये तो fear है ना. आप जो naturally हो, what you're naturally right now, stay that. Why are you fearing? So don't be what is not natural. You just be natural. You naturally as a person want peace and comfort, but we become so unnatural with things that हम लोग सोचते हैं that यार अब fear हो जाएगा. हम हम डरते हैं लोगों से कि यार अगर हमने ऐसे करा तो उसकी नजर लग जाएगी. Why? नजर क्यों लगेगी? जब तक you will not stop it there, you are happy. What matters, आप honest हो relationship में, unintentionally or intentionally, we are doing right and wrong. We do not know. हम तो बोल रहे हैं हम बहुत अच्छा करें, but we don't know. Maybe दूसरे बंदे according को अच्छा नहीं है. So please yourself first and then please others. So you know कि आप अच्छा कर रहे हो. You're going ahead in life. ठीक है. If these feelings are coming of fear, you have to stop it there. That's why I say stop, shift, and focus on other thought. So whenever you come with a negative thought, practice this. Stop it there. उसको वही रोको. Because stop it there. Just say stop. Wait. उसके बाद आप फोकस करो दूसरे थॉट पे, शिफ्ट करो कि अगर ये नहीं होता और इसका पॉजिटिव होता तो क्या होता, एंड देन यू शिफ्ट योर थॉट टू एन अनदर थॉट व्हिच इज योर ओन पॉजिटिव थॉट व्हिच यू हैव क्रिएटेड. So yes, happiness is always of two type, natural and synthetic. Synthetic happiness is when we don't get something, we make it happen. That is synthetic happiness. अगर ये नहीं होगा मुझे ऐसा करना है and मुझे अच्छा हो लगेगा. But natural is when you naturally get through. So natural is always better than synthetic, right? So yes, then we shift on three things which are explained in relationships, that is love, respect, and trust. Trust is very important. If you do not trust a person, you can never have that emotional satisfaction from other person. Trust bhi aap tab karoge when you are giving your trust to that person. So if you are honest, if you are being very honest, definitely you can expect trust. But if what you do, I always say, don't say what you're not. Don't preach what you feel you cannot do it. So bolo mat, karo. Your actions speak louder than your words always. Then, as we explained the physical quotient also, that eye contact is very important, very very important. Do not postpone to things. जो we feel that अभी हम chaos में हम ये काम कर लेंगे, कल अच्छा होगा तो हम ये काम कल कर लेंगे, but ऐसा नहीं है. अब वो काम आज करो ना आप. If you can afford something, if you want to buy something, go ahead. What is stopping you? By saying negative, मैं नहीं कर सकता, मैं afford नहीं करता, universe also manifests same thing. Trust me, there is magic. I'm a theta healer. I see that magic happening with people. I believe it. So if you do not believe it, nothing will happen. You have to believe onto things to feel that things to happen. Why? Because again, do not postpone things. I want to buy something. Right now, I can't afford it. Maybe sometime later I can afford it and I will definitely save for it and buy it. Okay. Or I want to do something, but something is stopping. यार मगर मैं भी chaos में हूँ, मैं अभी ये चीज नहीं करूँगा. Why? Go ahead. Why are you postponing your happiness? Don't postpone it. Whatever you're feeling right now, go ahead, achieve it, go for it. I always say, don't stop yourself, because one life, why do you need to stop yourself? Live in present, which is very important. We always, assume a lot of things about people. We make assumptions without hearing from both sides. We just hear one side and just, make assumptions. I think all of us, hum ye sab jante, all of us know all of this kind of whatever I'm talking about. I'm just focusing on this more, but all of us know this. But हम apply नहीं करते. हम books पढ़ते हैं, secret, success, key to success. हम बहुत books पढ़ते हैं. But this is the time to apply it. This is the time now you have to apply it, because you are facing the problems now. So right time is there. Apply karo. Go ahead, apply it and see the difference. Feel the magic and believe it. You will see a lot of success in your life. I am just probably, just a Zaria. I'm just here to remind you of whatever you guys already believe. So I'm just reminding you and just giving you the same thing, that, go ahead and do this. And yes, voice control, I always say, is very important. Voice control is very important. Why? You should know how to react to situations. When we control our mind, when we can control over a situation, there is no situation which can control us, because we all are human beings. We have mind to control ourselves. So there is no situation which can or should control us. I always believe you should know how to react to a situation. You have to train your mind in a way. Self-transformation is not easy. It takes days. It will take 21 days at least. Why? When you start instilling these thoughts in yourself, you will see after this is a body. So body also needs time. For example, when you start dieting, हमें 2-3 दिन लगता है, नहीं कर पाएंगे. But when we focus, हम कर लेते हैं, right? So the same way we train our body to focus on the positive thoughts, the positivity. And why I always say focus on positivity? Because you're giving it to your family, and your family is giving it to the other family, to other people. So don't give negative thoughts. Give positive thoughts, because right now Mother Earth needs positivity. Right now Mother Earth needs healing. We've given a lot of jealousy, a lot of dejections. We've given a lot of negative emotions already. So stop it there. Don't give negative emotions. to Mother Earth now. And yes, so yes, now live fearlessly. It's very important. I always say, don't give up. Live up. It's very, very important. Live up to the situation. Nothing can stop you. Your relationship is more important than any situation. Your relationship with your mother, with your father, with your husband, with anybody, with your best friend, anybody. It's very important. एक sorry से हम छोटे नहीं हो जाते. Nothing happens. So you will not reduce weight, you will not gain weight either. So one sorry will not affect anybody. So if that sorry is helping you out in your relationship and is making your relationship sorted out, so do that. Nothing is wrong in it. It's perfectly right and it is justified. But yes, I always say, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप adjust करते रह जाओगे and other person will come and suppress you. No. Why? Because believe in your thoughts, believe in yourself. It's a saying, आप न्यूटेला जार तो नहीं ना कि आप हर किसी को प्लीज करो, खुश रखोगे. That's not possible. You can only please those people whoever are good to you, whoever are nice to you. And what is nice? You will decide what is nice. No, you will see, we always say there are critics also. You need to figure out what is right, what is wrong, where does this right person is and where does this wrong person, and your mind will train you for this. If you train yourself, if you start doing every day 10 minutes meditation, 10 minutes writing down positive affirmations, just 5 minutes journaling the positive thoughts, if you train your mind, you will get to know what is right, who is right for you, and what is wrong, which relationship is serving you, which relationship is not serving you. This is not in my hands. I'll tell you, this person must be this way. No, this is how you decide. This is your life journey. So live your own journey and decide yourself what is right, and who is wrong to you. Then we always say people mislead in life. Okay, how do people mislead in life? People cause unhappiness. They don't have knowledge and they just speak without knowledge. So I always say logic is very important. Know what you're speaking, know what you're talking. Do not just blabber out things. Half knowledge is always harmful. So whenever you're talking on something, whenever you're believing on something, आप पूरी knowledge लो. Google is there. पूरी knowledge लो. There are so many good people around you. Listen to them. Then go ahead and speak about a situation. Then go ahead and expect from others when you are doing right. Communicate is very important. Your communication is very important with other people. If you do not communicate properly, you will not see that difference. You don't need to keep things inside yourself and think, yaar isne aise kiya. I always say, if you're feeling bad, talk it out, solve it out, and there will you decide if that situation is serving you or not, if that person is serving you or not, if that person understands you, is the right person for you, is the right situation for you. And if it does not, stop there, pause there, and wait, and you will get to know your answer with this. But don't keep things in your mind. Forgive and forget. It's not easy. I know it's very easy to say, but when you start focusing your thoughts, writing down your affirmations. Okay, affirmations written down with red ink pen, and especially in the night time. Why during the night time? Because our subconscious mind is 90% activated all the time. Our conscious mind, which we are moving, I'm talking, it's only 10%. Our 90% is our subconscious mind. So bringing in that 90% subconscious mind to your 10% mind is when you can do it, when you're sleeping or you're just about to sleep. So then write down those positive thoughts and write down those negative thoughts also, and next day burn those thoughts. Just burn them away. Just keep them away from you. It's very important. Then we go to spiritual quotient. So yes, I always believe we are just not human beings. We are basically spiritual beings. We all are here for a journey, for a human experience. So हमें नहीं पता हमने past में कैसे कर्मास करे हैं. Everybody, people, there are people in my profession who keep coming and telling me the same things, कि हम तो अच्छा कर रहे हैं but अच्छा नहीं मिल रहा. So this is this is a थाली. एक थाली है. आप उसके अंदर आपने बहुत सारे कर्मास करे हैं past में, unintentionally, intentionally. आपने अपना खाना इतना भरा हुआ है that first you have to clear those. So God is that almighty power is clearing those negative things in your plate, and then he will, jab tak jagah nahi hogi, so if you don't have space, how will he pour into new good thoughts and new positive things for you? So you have to make that space in the thali. Jab wo bhara hua hoga, you cannot put more food into it. So exactly, God is clearing those negative emotions, negative thoughts. You do not know what you've done in your past. So don't spoil that present, because this present will lead to your future. So don't spoil this present, and this present will become past one time. So don't spoil this present by just thinking कि यार मैं तो अच्छा कर रहा हूँ but अच्छा हो नहीं रहा तो ठीक है यार, I don't care. Why? No, not at all. Don't spoil this present just because those past thoughts are affecting you so much. You're not so weak. We are very strong. We are very strong. We just don't understand how strong we can get. So don't spoil that present with those past thoughts. Aap karte chalo, you will see things happening for your good. I always say, you know, this third eye, this broad chakra, which we say is where your soul rests. So whenever you meditate, also you concentrate here. You know, this is the reason our third eye, Shivji's, you know, always says that Shivji's eyes, third eye is here. Because when your third eye is open, you can see a lot of things. You know, you become intuitive. I never say spiritually aap sirf puja karo and everything. Up, in fact, you should, you know, just try meditating. Meditation is very important. You know, I'm not giving any lecture and all. It's that I see the difference in myself, and I'm just telling you what I've seen difference with. I have seen difference in my life, drastic difference. Just meditate. You know, we all have this 10 minutes for ourselves. We have for our family, we have for everybody, but why not ourselves? So that 10 minutes, give it to yourself. It's very, very important. There is always three reasons why we are born: to find our purpose in life, to better ourselves in each lifetime, and to help people to reach out to others who genuinely need you. You do not know who needs you. So what is the purpose in our purpose of a life? By that I mean, you know, being a numerologist, you know, we always see a person's life path number, and then we figure out, you know, what is the purpose of that person's life. So Neha, what is the total of your date of birth? Just
Mm,
total it up.
okay. um, 1 second. Um, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 19, 28, and yeah, 28.
So that's one.
One. Okay.
Okay, so you are one, Neha. So one basically is you are born here to lead as a son. So one is ruled by sun. Okay, so you're born to lead. So you're born people that people should follow you and should listen to what you say. So that's amazing. Your family should listen to
That's
you.
flattering right now. Yes.
So yes. So you know, everybody has a reason, everybody has a purpose. For example, three number people are born to give good knowledge, to distribute good knowledge. So you know, we should all know our purpose of a life, and so that we can achieve what we want to do, and we should better ourselves by achieving that life purpose. Because it's very important to better ourselves and achieve that life purpose and move on with life and see a lot of difference in ourselves. There are group of souls which come, you know, whenever we study new thing, whenever we do healing. So there are group of souls you get attracted to. Maybe your husband, your soulmate can be your parents, your soulmate can be your children. Soulmate is basically the person which is bettering you for your good. Your twin, there are two kind of people actually: twin flames and soulmate. Twin flames are those which is just replica of you, exactly what you are. So you know, that is not your soulmate. Your soulmate is always there to better you and will be really opposite to what you are. So yes, I do not know. I am sure some everybody is relating to, you know, those relationships. को soulmate कौन है, twin flame कौन है? Yes. So you know, soulmate can be anybody: your parents, your friend, your sibling, your husband, anybody, anybody. So yes, our soulmate really helps us to grow spiritually, and you need to find out who is your soulmate so that you can better from that person. You can listen to that person. Your soulmate can also be your critic, because that person is trying to make you better. In the same way, you can be a soulmate to somebody in someone's life. So yes, religion is following spirituality. Spirituality, again, it's just not puja, it's just being inclined to yourself spiritually, knowing what you're doing, how you're presenting yourself, knowing what you're speaking, opening your third eye chakra by meditating at least for 10 minutes. I know a lot of thoughts come in people's mind, so always say कि आप ना 10 मिनट कोई ऐसी अच्छी सी टोन ऑन कर लो, कोई चैंटिंग टॉक, एनीथिंग जो आपको अच्छी लगती है, just 10 minutes relax, listen to it, you will feel a drastic change. Okay, then we come to the sins of life. What are the sins of life? What are the sins of life? Chat.
Chat. Okay. um,
Okay, Shilpa says, usually replace a negative thought with it could have been worse scenario. This is such a great way to think about positive scenario. Yes, definitely, Shilpa. What happens? We always replace a negative thought with a negative thought, but not with a positive thought. So here we have to replace a negative thought with a positive thought. Yes, to cheat someone intentionally, anger, ego, yes, hatred, grudges, greed, jealousy, dominating, attachment. So, all these are the sins of your life. What I always say, exercise. Why exercise? When you exercise, you balance your body. And that's why where you feel joyful. So exercising is also very important to know that you care for yourself, you care for your body. So definitely I always say exercise, eat the right food, have the right sleep. By sleeping, I don't mean by sleeping at 2 and waking up. This is not the right sleep ever. If you sleep on time, waking up on time, that's very important. It's very difficult to follow. Again, एक दिन करोगे, 2 दिन करोगे, तीसरे दिन फील करोगे नहीं, I can't do it. But लगातार जब 21 days करोगे ना, you will see that change. So I want everybody after this session that every day say any kind word for yourself and say that kind word against something, for someone, and follow this and see how your life will start changing, and start writing down some positive affirmations. So probably you can just write down any 5 affirmations, good positive affirmations, with a red ink pen just before sleeping. Write it down. And whatever negative thoughts you're going through in your mind, delete them, burn them, write it down और उसको जला दो, उसको burn कर दो. Just आपने movie देखी होगी ना, जब we meant, we just burn it, right? So burn that negative thought and you will see a drastic change. Trust me, I have done that. That's why I'm able to tell you this. So I've experienced this, and that's why I'm sharing this with you guys.
mhm.
I always say cooking is very important. Why cooking is important? Because you put your good vibrations to cooking. So, it's very important to, whenever you're cooking, don't have the negative vibrations of this hatred, dominance. Never. Whenever you're cooking, आपका वो meal पूरी family खाएगी. So it's very important. Whenever you're cooking, make sure you give positive vibrations to that food. When you give positive vibrations, you see how positive thing develops in your home, how magic happens. You always have to believe it to make it happen. When you stop believing it, things don't happen. Universe also manifests. There is a book secret, and this does happen. This does happen. When you manifest positivity, when you manifest happiness, love around you, it definitely does happen. Okay, I think Poonam says I turn on music when I cook for long hours. Exactly. You can put on good music, you can put on anything, whatever pleases you. You can put on those, but don't put music like, probably I'm not getting any song. Breakup ho gaya mera. Don't put these kind of music, okay? So वही होगा. तो इसलिए don't put you positive music, and you will see if you put positive words, you will see that how your food gets that positive vibrations. So yes, when mind is not at ease, definitely you will get a disease. I really feel that. So yeah, your mind has to be at ease so that you do not attract any disease. कोविड भी हम बोल बोल के नहीं दूसरों को फॉर एग्जाम्पल ओके डायबिटीज है, अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक पर्सन को वो बोलता है आई कांट ईट, आई हैव डायबिटीज, ठीक है फाइन, वो बार बार ये बात बोलेगा आई एम नॉट वेल, आई हैव डायबिटीज, तो उसके आसपास सब वही बोलेंगे. अगर वो वेल होना भी चाहेगा ना, तो वो कभी वेल ही नहीं हो सकता, because he's saying all the time I'm not well, I'm not well, I'm not well. So if you all the time, if all the time you say Are, I'm at stress, I'm not well, I'm not well, so वो stress तो definitely आएगा. Why do you need to feel? यार everybody has that workload pressure, everybody has that lot of work, सबके पास है यार काम, but you just have to divide things in a way that these things do not affect you and you grow through these things, not just go through them. Your all health issues are related to your mind. We should be able to understand that your mental pattern causes the diseases in your mind. So your situations, when you let the situation overrule you, most of the situations are your negative emotions which you let them overrule, your criticism, your anger, resentment to things, your guilt. So again, you feel that इसने मुझे रोका, इसने मुझे criticize किया. It's okay. अगर किसी ने negative भी किया, उसका थॉट उसके साथ, यू हैव टू मूव ऑन विथ थिंग्स. यू कैन नॉट थिंक दैट अगर उसने मुझे क्रिटिसाइज किया तो भाई I will, that thought should affect you. No, here is your mind control. He is your train, how you train your mind by knowing if that person has spoken negative about me, told me negative about me, वो उसके कर्माज है, वो उसकी प्रॉब्लम है. दैट्स नॉट योर प्रॉब्लम. यू नो हाउ यू आर लिविंग, एंड इफ यू फील समथिंग आउट ऑफ इज करेक्ट which may be wrong in you, you can correct it, but you don't need to take it to your heart so much that you just lose the control of your mind and you just go into what that other person told you. No, not at all. You need to know that criticism should not affect you. Criticism should make you in a better person. There are a lot of criticism in my life also. People have criticized me also a lot, everybody. This is very normal. But if those critics would have stopped me, I wouldn't have helping you out. I wouldn't have been giving you this or saying this to you. So criticism should never stop you. लोग आपको रोकेंगे, definitely रोकेंगे, लोगों का काम है वो. But you cannot listen to the world and just judge yourself by what others are telling you. You need to know that these things don't affect me, these things will never affect me, because again you need to train your mind like that. Okay, we'll just discuss a little part about numerology, so that you should know how numbers affect your birth number, your destiny number, your life path number. How does this affect? How do you take out your birth number? Your birth number is the first digit of your date of birth. For example, I'm 22nd, so when I total it, it turns out to be 4, so that's my birth number. For example, anybody would be 5 number, just single 5, so 5 is your single birth number. Your birth number defines you, what you were before marriage, what you were when you before 30 years, you were 30 years of age, what you were when you started earning. And it doesn't really count after all these three things, like when you start earning, when you turn 30, and when you're married. Your destiny number rules more than your birth number. So your destiny number is basically total of your date of birth. Just way near total her date of birth, which total up to be 9. Sorry, 1. So 1 is a destiny number. That is a life path number as well. And then is your name number. You must have seen people changing their names or adding different alphabets to their name. So yes, your name number should always be synchronized with your date of birth, your birth number, and your destiny number, which is very important. So yes, any questions now?
Anchal, I wanted to ask you a question. You touched base a little bit upon self-love.
Yes.
No, and you also said that we kind of know all these things, that we have to be positive, we have to think positive, but just being our human nature, we fall into the trap again and again, right?
Yes, which is natural, right?
And also we always think, I mean, I shouldn't say for others, but at least for myself, sometimes I feel that even at home I will put myself last, right? Like I'll do cooking or be with the kids or do whatever it is needed to be done, and then my number is last number, like even if I have to read a book, for example, or anything, and I slip on exercise as well. For example, okay, I think I need to cook food right now, I'm not going to do it, I'll do it later, and then I'm tired and I just drop it, right? So share something where we can help and motivate ourselves to do more for ourselves.
Again, what is happening near situation is controlling you, so that's why you're not able to control yourself. So here what's happening, situation is overpowering you so much that you're so being busy with everybody, doing for everybody, that you're forgetting to give time to yourself. So I always say self love, how is it important? By 10 minutes, sparing those 10 minutes in a day, feeling those feelings for yourself, and writing down affirmations, exercising, doing whatever you like, or probably just sipping a sorry, probably just sipping a cup of coffee. So doing whatever you like is self love, and self love is when you do not let the situation overpower you, and it happens when your brain and your heart is aligned. You know exactly, this thing, this thing, you're complaining about this thing, but you're not following it. So what's the point complaining about it when you're not following it yourself?
Mm-hmm.
So you need to know everybody's important, but if you do not love yourself, if you do not prioritize yourself, you will not able to prioritize your husband or your family or anybody for that sake.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
That's very important. हम सब जानते हैं, हम डीपी तो चेंज कर लेते हैं अच्छी अच्छी, पर अपने आप को चेंज नहीं कर सकते. So that is important. Changing DP is good. Change yourself first.
Yeah. No, it does make sense. And I don't know, we are almost at time, but anyone has any question, please feel free to unmute and ask.
Okay, I got this question from Poonam. If it's family members saying hurtful, you can't avoid, you can't ignore. If you start showing indifference, that sounds rude. The same chapter keeps repeating. Exactly. That family member can be anybody in your family, can be your husband, can be your mother-in-law, can be sister-in-law, anybody, right? So you know what happens? A family member criticizing us, saying negative things. Again the same thing. हम क्या कर रहे हैं? Situation को overpower उन दे रहे हैं, उनके words को overpower उन दे रहे हैं. Who is somebody to judge us? You are here to live your own life journey, right? आप अपनी life journey आप खुद करने आए हो. You are here to transform yourself. So why do you need to affect yourself? You need to be so strong. You need to train your mind so strongly. Again, that's why I told meditate. When you train your mind with positivity by feeling, just not saying positive words, but feeling it inside, by feeling that magic happen inside you, you will see those thoughts, those words will not matter to you at all. At all means at all. And again, this chapter keeps repeating. Probably, they'll be giving you a rude face, right? They'll be behaving rudely with you. They will be showing indifference towards you, and just showing that there's some problem. That ठीक है, I was very good to her. ये मुझे मैंने बदतमीजी करी. I was rude to her और वो आपको बहुत इफेक्ट कर गया. आज नहीं, वो कल फिर रिपीट होगा. सो वो उसके कर्माज है, वो उसके संस्कार है, वो तो करेंगे ना. वो आप यू कैन स्टॉप दैट पर्सन. आप किसी को नहीं रोक सकते, आप सिर्फ अपने आप को कंट्रोल कर सकते हो. यू कैन नॉट स्टॉप एनीबडी. यू कैन नॉट स्टॉप योर चाइल्ड आल्सो फॉर दैट रीजन. आप एक बच्चे को बोलते हैं ना ये मत कर, वो जरूर वही काम करेगा जो आप उसको मना करोगे. सो यू कैन नॉट स्टॉप एनीबडी. You have to know where you have to stop yourself. You have to control your emotions and not that anybody else's emotions at all. So here, just know what is right and what is wrong for you. Take what is right for you. Do not take what is wrong for you. You have 2 years. बीच में भगवान ने दिमाग इसीलिए दिया है. Reason being, सोचो whatever you are hearing, then speak whatever you think is right. रखो, नहीं अच्छा लगा एक कान से निकाल दो. Simple. They will not change. वो उनके संस्कार है, वो ऐसे ही रहेंगे. They will not change. You have to change yourself. This is your journey, not her journey.
I think it's amazing. So can you share like maybe 2-3 things that we can do like every single day? I know you touched base upon journaling, that's like at night, but maybe 2 or 3 things that you can recommend that we should do every single day to keep our minds more positive and make sure we basically remind ourselves to be positive.
Yes. So affirmations, which is very important, as I told, before sleeping, 10 minutes, write down positive affirmations with a red ink pen. Okay. Before sleeping, make it a note that you will do that. And whatever negative thought which is disturbing you, उसको फाड़ दो, उसको लिखो और उसको टीयर कर दो. एकदम सारे थॉट्स नहीं जाएंगे. हम सबके माइंड में बहुत सारे थॉट्स होते हैं नेगेटिव, नॉट वन. Start doing it every day. Write on one thought, tear it, just throw it away. Same way, the next day, take that negative thought, tear it, and throw it away. So keep practicing this at least for coming 40 days. So these negative thoughts will stop disturbing you. And yes, exercise. When you exercise, by giving 10 minutes to your body every day, you maintain a balance between yourself. So your balance is very important. So by just doing these 2-3 small things and being thankful, gratitude is very important. आपके लिए कोई भी छोटा सा काम भी करे, be thankful, because nobody is obliged to do anything for you. If somebody is doing, that person is doing from their own wish. So being thankful is very important, very important. It's don't be sorry for anything, but be thankful first, which is very important.
Thank you.
So follow these small steps every day. And say some kind words also. So start this from tomorrow. Make sure you will say a kind word for yourself. Look at yourself in the mirror. Praise yourself. You're worth it. You deserve it. So God has given you 2 eyes, lips, body to move everything. लोगों के पास तो ये भी नहीं होता, right? So be thankful for what you have and say kind words about yourself. The same way, transfer that kind words. Say positive things to someone and make sure tell that person that you whatever you say, you're looking beautiful, whatever you say to that person, and make sure tell the person same thing, that Make sure that आप किसी और की तारीफ करो. Praise somebody else today.
Mhm.
So this is how it will work. This will become a chain. And when you become a chain, when you become in the collective consciousness, you see the difference overall.
I think we have a question on Poonam's question about a close relation. At what point do we make a decision that this is not good for me and distance from that person or relationship?
Exactly. You'll get to know when that person is not serving you for your contribution, when you know that person is not making you a better person at all, that person is just pulling you down, you will easily get to know. Because as I said, vibes travel. ठीक है, मैं जो सोच रही हूँ मेरे पूरी बॉडी के सेल्स वही सोचेंगे, वही मैं वो वाइब्स अपने हस्बैंड को दूंगी, वही वाइब्स मेरा हस्बैंड आगे बच्चे को देगा, वही वाइब्स ट्रैवल करेंगी, राइट? So these vibes are traveling the same way. You will get to know when these vibes travel. You'll get to know कि आपको पता चलता होगा. I'm sure I'm sitting with somebody. I get to know that what that person is not thinking about me, but I feel that this person is being very sweet on my face, but internally ये तो कुछ चल रहा है इसके माइंड में मेरे बारे में. So you know, you actually realize, ये तो पता चल जाता है. So that is your intuition power. It's always when that third eye chakra, when you start meditating, that thing starts opening, and you will see vibes easily travel. What other person is thinking about you, you'll get to know. You'll get to know if that person is contributing for your betterment or just criticizing you and pulling you down. So when you know that person is pulling you down, stop, shift, and focus to other thought, and leave that there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's good. I think I'll touch base upon one more topic, which is frustration and anger. I can admit I've been in many situations, specifically because of COVID. You know, we've been at home, and everything is just like in your face, right? Like kids are home, the work is going on, you have to take your chores, you're cooking, everything is just together now, right? And at times I felt myself very frustrated or have shown anger either to my kids, even though I realized later on, oh, I should not have shouted. So how do we control anger? How do we control this frustration that comes to us on and off in our lives?
By just doing those 5 exercises, you see how anger goes away from you, how this frustration comes down, how you will pull this down. Again, writing those negative thoughts, because itni jaldi nahi jayega. This is a journey. I also explain the same thing. Self transformation is a journey. Happiness doesn't come in one day. It is a journey. So you need to decide that will be a natural happiness or a synthetic happiness. आप जितनी synthetic happiness करोगे अपनी life में, जो naturally चीजें नहीं हो पाएंगी. For example, you will create what we don't have and you will make it to happen. You will force yourself into it. तो होगा क्या? वो frustration बढ़ेगी, वो anger बढ़ेगा, वो irritation बढ़ेगी. So when you stop that then and there, and वो इतने process तक पहुंच ही नहीं पाएगा, it will stop there. वो cycle घूम ही नहीं पाएगी जब आप उसको वहीं रोक दोगे. When you stop it then and there, so you will see a change when you know how to control over situations. And it's not tough, trust me. I have done there, I've been there, now I'm doing it. So this is not difficult. You just need to practice it. एक दो दिन में नहीं होगा, 3 दिन में नहीं होगा. It will take time. It will take time.
Mm-hmm. Awesome. No, this is great. Thank you so much. I know we're almost at time. So any other question, please feel free to type in the chat or just...
What question you want to know related to numerology, related to Vastu, anything you guys can just ask.
Maybe I'll ask one more question. Any Vastu tip do you have for I'll ask for my workspace, let's say, where the place where I work.
Okay, so exactly your work is the group only or your job?
Like my table, my room, where
I'm asking what is your work profile?
No, I work as an IT professional. So always on my computer.
Okay. So now as your life path number is 1, so I always say, make your workplace facing north direction. It will get you money, it will get you fame, and make sure your table is of wood. Why I'm saying that? Because there are 5 elements. Okay, so we need to balance in Vastu and in Feng Shui. We need to balance these 5 elements. When these 5 elements are balanced, and when you have all of these 5 elements in your room, for example, earth represents square shape. Okay, so triangle represents Agni, fire. So make sure आप किसी भी फॉर्म में, ट्राइंगल के फॉर्म में, स्क्वायर के फॉर्म में, रेक्टेंगल के फॉर्म में, ओके, एनी आप हर किसी के फॉर्म में एक कोई ना कोई शेप ऐड करो अपने रूम में. So you will start seeing when all of these 5-6 elements, when all of these shapes are added in your room, you will see a drastic change. And you will see that, when there's a balance between, we don't want ki zara energy, we should consume it and we should let go all the energy. We need to be at balance, harmonized, easy flowing energy in the house, which is very important. So make sure you balance out energy in your room or in your area, especially in your workplace, because you're all the time sitting there. 8 hours you're there. So it's really important to balance your energy there, sitting on the right color of chair and facing the right direction whenever you're working, knowing the base of your table should be of wood, being your one number. So I'll say your table should be of wood. That's really important. So if you maintain these small things, and yes, keep you lively plants in front of you because they absorb negative energy, right? So it's very important. 8 hours you're spending there.
तो
So keep
ये जो टिप है, मतलब ये जो वास्तु है, ये बेस्ड ऑन लाइफ पाथ नंबर होता है या इट इज जेनेरिक जैसे प्लांट्स हैं?
all of these sciences then go hand in hand. For example, numerology doesn't work without Vastu. Vastu doesn't work without Feng Shui. Okay, astrology doesn't work without stars. Healing doesn't work without balancing your chakras. So all of these sciences are interconnected. All of these sciences are interconnected. So one science is connected to other. So all of these, if they are balanced, you will see a positive change.
Okay, awesome.
Because if your stars are not aligned, आप कितनी भी मेहनत कर लो, आपको वो रिजल्ट नहीं मिलता, right? So जब सब कुछ aligned होता है, for example, if your brain and your heart is aligned, तो सब positive ही होगा ना? Aligned होना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. No, this is great to know. I think एक और वास्तु question है. Birth date number is 2 and looking for promotion. Tips on direction, element, etc. Please.
Okay, so your date of birth is 2. So have that, I'm sure you have that motherly qualities, that nurturing qualities in you. So be more focused towards nurturing qualities. Give love to your family because you're meant for that. So give a lot of love to your family. Spend time with your family. And now when we talk about your promotion tips, I will say that, if you're looking for promotion right now, आप अपनी files, documents, जो आपको लगता है promotions related है, put it in northwest direction so that you see a change. The change happens to you very soon. And whenever you work, face northwest. Being the two direction, being the moon direction, it's very important that you face northwest and you do your work, which you will actually reap benefits out of it. And again, your table should be wooden. So make sure your table is wooden, you're facing northwest, and the color of your room should be light gray or light blue. Or probably off-white, not completely white. You can even make it off-white. And yes, being a 2 number, don't let your emotions overrule you at all.
She says thank you. Any other question? Okay. You can just unmute yourself and ask or put it in the chat. Anything I think related to Vastu or numerology or anything Achal spoke about. Okay, I think, oh yes, I have a question. Color of the room, birth date is 4 and purpose, please.
Okay, color of the room, don't give it a white color, don't give it off-white color. Make it a little brighter shade. I know red to possible nahi hai. Matlab, I don't mean little brighter tone. You can go for a gold color, you can go for something lightish, or make a wall you're sitting, आप जिस wall को face कर रहे हो, या फिर a wall आपकी जो back में है, तो उसको आप थोड़ा brighter shade दो. Make sure that. And do not, because 4 is number of unexpectations. Things, change a lot. Their life is very unexpected. And I'm sure you love shopping a lot. So yes, one thing, just make sure, save your money, which is very important. And yes, color of the room should be something a little brighter. I will say go for a little gold, light greenish, but don't go for a white color at all. Light greenish was also good for you. And then purpose of your life is digging deep into things, going deep into something. I'm sure knowing your intuitions are very good, so follow your intuitions and follow them, and you see a change in your life.
Thank you for that, Achal. Okay, yeah, she says thank you so much. You can unmute if you want to. Okay, we have another question. What is the luckiest number in numerology?
Okay, it all depends on your date of birth and your destiny number. So whatever number is your, it's aligned with your date of birth and your destiny number, that is lucky for you. So everybody has their own lucky numbers.
For house,
so especially also depends on your date of birth and your life path number. It also depends on that.
Okay. Any other questions? No. Okay. So thank you, Achal. I
Thank you so
think
much.
this was amazing, positivity session and dose we all
And I want you
needed.
to follow it. Trust me, you will see a positive change.
Yeah, I think that's what it, we kind of know certain things, we know we should be positive, but situations come and then we give in to those situations. So it's a great reminder, to think positively. And I think some of the tips that you've shared today, are very simple things, right? Gratitude, why not? Well, we should be, I think, thankful for what we have, right? The other thing I really loved is, like, look at yourself in the mirror and say something nice for yourself, right? I absolutely love when I dress up for these events, because this gives me an opportunity to, wear something I like to wear, and be look nice. Otherwise, you know how you are at your home the whole day. It's a completely different story when you're dressing up, and when you're just like that. I think I love that part. You also touched base upon writing the positive affirmations, at the night when our subconscious mind is in place. So I think that's another good thing to realize. The other thing is exercise. I'm definitely going to give it a shot for 21 days. I have slipped again. uh,
I always slip. That's fine.
Oh my God, I'm so bad at it. But this is amazing. Thank you for taking out time and sharing all these great insights with us, and giving us a good reminder to follow some very simple but basic but very important things. So thank you again, and I see a lot of reactions from there. So I'm sure it's for it's a big thanks from everyone here, and yeah, thank you again.
Thank you so much. Thanks to everyone. And I hope you all stay connected in Neha's group.
Thank you.